Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add transition in Shotcut. So you want to add transition in between your videos in Shotcut. Here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is make sure you have a video from your playlist down to your timeline. So I have two videos, a timeline. This is the one, the two named sample 1 and 72. So if you want to have transit between this video, I'll just have to click on this video, which is the sample 2, then drag it and place it on the other video, just like an overlay. Then I will release the mouse. Then you can see here is the transit. So the more you want transition, the more you have to drag in the video on the other video just to create transition. So by the time you move the playhead down to the beginning of the transition, then you can see that's how you can simply add transition. And if you want to make it a little bit shorter, just click on the video again, then place it a little bit. Then you can see here's the transition. And if you want to make it more bigger than this, then drag it in for a very long time, and that's a simple way at which you can simply add transition in Shotcut. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.